Hello guys, this is Shiva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, so in this video, I'm not going to be wasting much of our time. Alright, so before I share with you guys how the strategy works, let me quickly share with you the settings for this strategy. Okay, now the first thing you have to do is to click on this icon here. After clicking on that, the first indicator here is the moving average. So after adding the moving average, so you search for the moving average and click on it. Now the settings, you are going to be setting it this way. The period is 16, the shift is 0, the method is exponential, apply to close. Under the style we have 3 pixel, the color is green. Alright, so after that you click on save. Now the next indicator here is the MACD. So you are going to search for the MACD. Alright, now these are the parameters for the MACD. The first EMA is 12, the slew EMA is 26, the MACD SMA is 2, apply to is close. Under the style we have 2 pixel, which is the main. Now the signal we have 3 pixel, and you can see here the color is blue, and this one the color is red, right? So after that you click on save. Alright, so after doing everything correctly as I've said, you are going to have a screen like this one. Alright, so this is a very simple strategy to understand. Now this is how it works. Okay, here on the indicator window right here, you are going to be waiting for the MACD line here. Alright, this red line here, which is the signal line, to cross above this 0 level. Right, so once it crosses above the 0, you are going to now be looking out for the main chart, right, which are the candlestick. You are going to be waiting for the candlestick here on the main chart to cross above this green line here. Right, so once you see that it has crossed above the green line and close above it, you are to go in for 5 candles, guys. Now take note, this is the 5-minute time frame. Okay, so the 5-minute time, 3 candle on the 5-minute time frame is going to be like 15 candles on the 1-minute time frame. Okay, so this is going to be a huge profit for you. Okay, so make sure you follow the condition I give and you are going to be good to go. All right, so this is a scalping strategy. All right, with this strategy you have to trade against the spike. All right, this is not a spike catching strategy. Okay, so also with this strategy you can catch spike with it, but I'm going to be showing you how to do that in the next video. Okay, so if you're a new viewer coming across my channel, please make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. All right, so here is another example again. Here is another example with this strategy. So you can see here, after this crossing, you can see here on the main chart, after the candlestick cross above the green, you can see you will be able to successfully get your 3 candles. All right, so this is a strategy I will advise you backtest it and see if it's working for you. Okay, don't just take my words for it, make sure you backtest it for yourself. Okay, so like I said earlier, I don't want the video to be very long, so I think with these 2 examples I've given, you understand what I'm trying to say, and I think we are good to go. Okay, so all I want you guys to do now is to make sure you backtest the strategy and test it out for yourself. Okay, test it out if it's working just like I've said, and then when you see if it's good, then you can go in with your real money. Okay, so that's pretty much everything I have for you guys in today's video. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Okay, so please make sure you subscribe if you haven't done that, and share the video with your friends and family. Okay, and don't forget to give the video also a thumbs up so that YouTube will recommend it to others. Okay, So that is pretty much everything. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Silver out.